Alright, so I'm about to do a coolant change now. As you can see, I have it pretty much full, and I'm about to dump all of this coolant out. Actually undo this line right here. It's gonna flow all the coolant out, and then I'll just run the system and just let it drain out, and then pour some distilled water in there with some vinegar and try to shake it out. Go for like I don't know, like 30-second or a minute ride. Let it circulate, and then dump that out again, and just try to clear everything out. I was legit struggling to get this one screw off. So I try to make sure I get every bit of that liquid into the container, but as I said, it's just tap water with some additives, so if I spilled a little bit, it wasn't that bad. So at this moment, I left out, started the motor, and actually came back and just let the water pump just like do its thing and try to push all that water that was left at the bottom of the water pump out. So at this point, I re-sealed off the hose, and I poured vinegar and distilled water in it, and I took the bike, started the motor up, let it circulate through the cooling system, and then I came back, did the same thing, undid the hose, let it drain out, and I did that for actually 2 times. So the last time was actually with just bare water. I gotta do that one more time. Would you just listen to this motor just start up? Just listen. Look at all that. So this is me tightening up the clamp for the very last time before I put the coolant in there. God damn it, it fell in there again.
So how do you go like fast?
Push the throttle. Lean the bike like this. Lean the bike, yeah.
So you press that little button?
Yep. And I'm probably going to get a comment about this. No, this is not my son. He's just a cousin of a cousin. So yeah, he's just my little helper. So if you're curious about what type of coolant I run on this motor, before I was running the water wetter, which, like I said, I kind of messed that up with just using tap water. But now I'm using a 50-50 blend performance coolant, trying this out. Right now it's not performing how I like it, so I might go back to the water wetter and actually use distilled water instead of tap water. Alright, so most important thing is making sure you get rid of your coolant the right way. So like take it to like a recycle place or whatever and get rid of that the right way. But yeah, as you saw, I drained it out, drained out the old stuff, poured water and vinegar in there, ran the motor for like a minute, then turn it off and drain that stuff out, then put some distilled water in there, and then I drained that out, and then I put coolant in there. So I'm using this I'm using this Maximum Racing high performance coolant. It's ready to use, pre-diluted, antifreeze. It says don't add water, so that's for the winter and summer. I think I'm still gonna have a leakage issue throughout the radiator cap. I might have to get like a heavier pressure radiator cap and put it on there, because I swear it's like leaking from like right underneath here. But that's gonna do it for this video. Peace. Oh, real quick, guys. I forgot to mention that this is my old setup, how I have the radiator, and I actually did a disassembled and actually redid the mounts to look a bit more cleaner. And I might have to do it one more time so I can get more angle, so I can get more airflow flowing in as I ride. But that's gonna do it. Peace, guys. Please don't forget to share this video, like the video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe if you're new. All right, see you on the next one.
Perfect.